Let us start with disorders and diseases of the kidney. Excessive albumin in urine, which is also called as albuminuria. It indicates injury to endothelial capsular membrane as a result of increased blood pressure. Injury or irritation of kidney cell by substances such as toxin or heavy metals. As we are studying the disorders and diseases which are associated with the kidney, these factors play very important role. Presence of excessive quantities of ketone bodies in the urine, which is also not good at all, may be caused due to diabetes mellitus, starvation, or too little carbohydrates in the diet. So diet also plays a very important role for the healthiness of the kidney. Presence of leukocyte, that is WBC, in urine indicate possibility of infection of kidney or other urinary organs. Let us study certain disorders. Kidney stone, they are also called as renal calculi. They may be formed in any portion of the urinary tract from kidney tubule to external opening. Depending on composition, they are classified into, means the kidney stones, they are classified into different varieties. Now in this picture you can see variety of kidney stones and they can be measured, and this is the tract, urinary tract. Here we can see urinary bladder, here we can see kidney also. So this stone, it may occur inside the kidney, it may occur in the urinary bladder or in the duct also. Now let us see the stones. Calcium stone, usually they are calcium oxalate stones or calcium phosphate ones. Struite stones, they are formed in response to bacterial infection caused by urea splitting bacteria. They grow very quickly and become quite large. Uric acid stones, in people who don't drink water enough or consume high protein diet, they can suffer from this type of stone. Cystine stone, it is a genetic disorder that causes kidney to excrete too much of certain amino acid. So it may also result in producing the stone. Now what are the symptoms? Intermittent pain below the rib cage. Here you can see the pain area in back and the sideways. Hazy, brownish, reddish or pinkish urine may occur. Frequent urge to pass urine, and the person may feel pain during micturition, means urination. Diagnosis. How to diagnose the kidney stone? Uric acid content of blood, means with the help of blood test also, with the help of color of urine, by observing color of urine also doctors they can diagnose. X-ray. Now here you can see in the X-ray stones they may observe. In sonography also, here you can see there are many stones. Sonography of kidney, different diagnostic test prescribed depending upon the symptom, with the help of X-ray, with the help of sonography, with the help of blood test, with the help of color of the urine, doctors they can diagnose about the kidney stone. Let us see the next disorder, uremia. What is uremia? Blood normally contain 0.01 to 0.03% urea. As we are human being, we are ureotelic animals. So naturally urea will be present in the urine of human being, but the percentage should be 0.01 to 0.03. But if this percentage rises above 0.05%, then the person is suffering from a disease called as uremia. It is harmful and it may lead to kidney failure also. Let us study the next, nephritis. Nephritis meaning it is an inflammation of the kidney characterized by proteinuria. Proteinuria means in the urine protein content is coming. It is caused due to increased permeability of glomerular capsular membrane, permitting large amount of protein to escape from the blood to urine. It means in the person who is suffering from proteinuria, in those person urine protein content is observed. This leads to change in the blood colloidal osmotic pressure, leading to movement of fluid from blood to interstitial space. It is reflected as a edema. Swelling occurs. Renal failure. It is decrease or cessation of glomerular filtration, and it is classified into two types. One is called as ARF, acute renal failure, and second is called as, in the next slide you can see, ARF is sudden worsening of renal function that most commonly happens after severe bleeding. There is decrease in the urine output as the important function of the kidney is formation of urine. But here, as the kidney is failing to do its own work, naturally the urine output it become less. Oliguria, scanty urine, less than 400 ml per day or less than 0.5 ml per kg per hour in children. If the condition is like this, then definitely which is not good at all for the kidney. Other causes for ARF, it may include acute obstruction of both ureter or nephrotoxic drugs. ARF can be detected biochemically by elevated means increased level of serum creatinine level. Second category is of CKD means what? Chronic kidney disease. It is a progressive and generally irreversible decline in glomerular filtration rate, that is GFR. It may be caused due to chronic glomerulonephritis. It can be detected by reduced kidney size and possibility of anemia.